best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
So I'm an online course junkie, and I'm also an online educator, and I noticed this new education platform called Masterclass really rise to prominence recently, and I've had people ask me, are Masterclasses worth it? Well, I'm going to deep dive into it, but one word, Natalie Portman. So Masterclass is a really interesting platform. They have so many top people, top celebrities in the world. They have Natalie Portman, they have Carlos Santana, Armin van Buuren, Gordon Ramsay, Neil Gaiman, Malcolm Gladwell, all these really super, Steven Spielberg even has a class on there, and Timbaland and all this crazy stuff. They all have classes on Masterclass. It's really interesting, so I thought I'd look into it. Now, you may have heard me mention Natalie Portman. I've always had a crush on her since I was young, so I thought it was really cool to see that she's teaching a class on this platform. But first, let me go into what Masterclass is and what it isn't. So what it is it is great if you are looking to learn about creative professions or creative skills. You will learn how to do acting. You know, Natalie Portman teaches acting. Steve Martin will teach you how to do comedy. Armin van Buuren will teach you how he does beat making and all these other things. These instructors, the courses typically aren't very long. They're just a few hours. The quality of the instructors are unbelievable. Okay. So I give Masterclass a huge thumbs up for getting the best of the best of the best people to teach classes online. This is actually where I believe all education is moving this direction, where if you want to learn a subject, you should learn from the best of the best. Now, for some reason, you know, I'm an online educator and I get over $1 million a year of income from my online courses. For some reason, people want to learn from me. Now, I'm only, you know, like I'm a very small time person, you know, I'm a millionaire, but I'm not Elon Musk, you know, so, but they've gotten Elon Musk status people to teach class on here. So that's a huge mark of recommendation for Masterclass. What Masterclass isn't though, it is not necessarily going to teach you the business aspects of how to get into these industries. If you are looking to become an actress, it's not going to necessarily teach you how to become an actress and really get into the nitty-gritty of the people you should be speaking to, the booking agents that are going to help you out, where, you know, what cities are going to be the best to place yourself in, how to get your first few jobs, etc. Natalie Portman is going to teach you acting. She's going to help you hone a creative skill. That's what Masterclass is great at, honing a creative skill. But it's not going to give you that business end of things of how to go from A to Z with clear step-by-step resources to getting you your first jobs as a author or a writer or, you know, a musician or whatnot. So that's what Masterclass is. It's great for creative skills, but it's not necessarily great for business. But it's got Natalie Portman. So that's the ins and outs of Masterclass. I actually think it's a really cool platform. I'm not necessarily looking to get into, you know, a creative profession, but I have huge commendation for Masterclass. I don't think they market themselves very well. They aren't necessarily helpful to teachers. It's not a platform I would go and host my own courses on. But that being said, if you're looking to hone your creative skills, I think it's great and it gives you access to the best of the best of the best. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and comment of if this was helpful in any way or if this was just a waste of your time. I know most of you that listen in to me and tune into me are interested in business subjects, but I figured I'd address this subject just because I think it's a noteworthy site that's up online. Also, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll see more videos on how to make money online step by step and what I do, which is affiliate marketing of how I've started my internet business. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.